If you've been on the weight loss roller coaster, you know the struggle all too well. Low-carb diets, endless treadmill sessions, and the frustration of seeing those pounds creep back on. But what if the answer isn't just about eating less? Enter Silvets, a weight loss supplement that's turning heads. It's not just another pill, it's a blend of 6 powerful, organic ingredients designed to tackle weight gain from every angle. Imagine feeling less hungry, boosting your metabolism, and having the energy to actually enjoy your workouts. Acai berries and green tea help speed up your metabolism, while guarana gives you that instant energy boost. Plus, cayenne powder revs up your calorie burn, and L-Carnitine turns fat into energy. Real people are seeing real results. They're shedding pounds and feeling like themselves again. If you're tired of the same old cycle and want a solution that works, Silvets might just be your game changer. It's time to take control and finally achieve the body you've always wanted.
Thanks for watching. To learn more about how this product can help you, find the official website link in the description.